Hi everyone, my name is Karim Duval. I'm a French comedian, or rather the only comedian on the planet who gets asked to make a video about APIs. APIs! Can you imagine the conversation at a party? So, what do you do for a living? I'm a comedian. Wow, awesome. What kind of stuff do you talk about? APIs. Cool. If you'll just excuse me, I must get a drink. I'll be back in a week. Hey, wait! I also tell jokes about data mining. What's more, I have to make the video in English on behalf of a French association that promotes APIs. Yep, on this planet there are Mormons, curling fans, and people who organize 3-day meetings about APIs. It all came about like this. I got a phone call. Hello Karim, I dérange you? No? Okay. We are a French association and we organize an event called Happy Days. Happy Days, APIs, got the joke? Happy Days is a play on words in English that only French speakers can understand. French humor, eh? But why are you talking to me in English, Jean-Pierre? I speak French. Yeah, we are lots of French people here too, but there is one German intern with us, and that is why I'm asking you a video about APIs in English. For Jürgen. Jean-Pierre, may I remind you that APIs are not exactly the sexiest subject in the world? At the Golden Globes, they asked Ricky Gervais to make jokes about the actors, not about APIs. Karim, may I remind you that you are not exactly Ricky Gervais? But Karim, we will pay you to do it, huh? Money, always the money. You know, I'm an artist and 20,000 euros. I love APIs. When I was 2, I used to paint APIs. I would marry an API. And that's how I ended up Googling, what the is an API? API is an acronym that means Application Programming Interface. An API is a set of definitions and protocols for building, integrating and facilitating communication between application software. Let me see. Interface, definitions, communication. I imagine 2 people talking to each other. Their API is their face, their eyes, the movement of their lips, the language, and the aim is to stop their conversation sounding like this. Unlike health and safety protocols, API protocols are much lighter. Integration. APIs allow applications to communicate with each other and contribute to a better world. They make it possible to connect a crowdfunding platform to donors' bank accounts for a good cause. They make it possible to connect your doctor to your medical records so he knows more about you. They make it possible to connect TikTok to the Chinese government so they know more about you too. I'm on Facebook, it's much more secure. In that sense, APIs are great because for 2 applications to be able to communicate, they have to be able to exchange information, so they have to be open. Today, there are applications that are more open than certain human beings, which gives me a renewed hope in technology. Well, I say open. An app doesn't just open up like that. I mean, it's not like an Instagram lifestyle influencer. An app gives out the information it wants when it wants. Imagine a conversation between 2 applications that communicate via their APIs. Cloudy data. Why don't you give me more information about your users? I can't just make do with the first name, last name, sex, age, and date of birth. I want more. You always want more, hack my growth. Sometimes in life you have to make do with what you've got. What would you do with the users' email addresses anyway? Well, it's none of your business, Cloudy Data. Who do you think you are to judge me? Hack my growth. Look into my eyes. Look into my APIs. You want to send out email shots using my customer database, don't you? And you want to involve Jason in this. You dirty, manipulative devil. You make me sick. I, who loved you with all my heart, all my server. I'm leaving you. I'm blocking your access forever. Hack my growth. Hacky. My little hacky poo. Do you know what we call that? A soap opera. Oh, humor, rest in peace. Right, I must be going. I have to make a video about XML files. Oh, and before I forget, even if it's a bit early, Happy New Year!